Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the hot surface indicator light on your oven. The reason why you might have to do this is because the light is burned out, or if you turn on one of your elements, the light doesn't come on. For this repair, we'll be using a 1/4" nut driver and a flathead screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. So this is the oven we're going to be using for this demonstration. It's a Frigidaire, and keep in mind ours might look a little bit different than what you've got at home, but the same technique should still apply. So what we've got to do is turn our range around. So now we have to take this back panel off. In order to do that, we've got 6 screws that are holding it in, 1 on each corner, and then in the middle on the top and bottom. And now that we've got all of those unscrewed, we're just going to pull the panel up so that the tab comes out of there, and we can set it off to the side. So right here is our surface indicator light from the other side. So the way I'm going to remove it, I'm going to look for the V-shaped hole that's in the side of the light there, and when I find it, I'm going to move it towards the opposite direction. So since the hole is on this side, I'm going to move it to the right. Just like that. And you'll see that your indicator light lens is right underneath it. And then, once you've got that out, you can unplug it. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement hot surface indicator light. If you don't have one already, you can find it on our online store. So now what we're going to do is this V shape in the bottom of the indicator light. We're going to line that up so that we get the lens inside of that round hole in the middle. So we're going to go from the side here, and we'll move it to the left, and then it snaps into place. So now we'll plug everything back in. There we go. So now I'm going to put our back panel back on, and what I'm going to do is with the middle segmented panel right here, that's going to go behind everything, and then that rests on top there, and then I'll line up our screw holes. And once the screw holes are all lined up, you can start screwing it back in. And now we can turn our stove back around, plug everything back in, and our repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.